looks amazing. Amazing. Hot and flavored. Smell good. Hola amigos, I'm Ulysses and this is Plant-Based Masterpiece. Welcome. So right now I'll show you how to make beetroot hummus. H-U-M-M-U-S. Yeah, easy. What do I need? 1 cup of beets. Yeah, some fresh beets because right now I'm going to roast them. What is 1 cup of garbanzo beans? What is 1/4 cup of tahini? 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Half lemon juice. Half teaspoon of beets powder. Wow, I've used beets powder. Can you believe it? So 1 clove also is the same amount. Half teaspoon, the same of garlic. So same with sea salt and cumin. I'm pretty sure that I say everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ingredients, 1 food processor and 1 roaster or oven. Also, I'm gonna roast it using a little of oil. What else? I'm pretty sure that nothing else. So right now it's time to make some beetroot hummus. Let's make some hummus with beets, with roasted beets. Let's do it. So amigos, I'm gonna place this aside and also I'm gonna preheat this oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So how I'm gonna use just 1 cup. This is dirty. Do you think I can get 1 cup from here? Yes, for sure. So there are different kind of ways to roast them. So one way just is cover them with oil, or also I can cut them on half or quarters. You know, we can make it so quickly or more faster. But also spread a little olive oil, salt, you know, blah 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 blah. But this time I'm gonna do more quickly or more faster. Oh my God, it's so young. I can cut it. Wow, look at this. It's amazing. Wow. Also with the skin on. After that, when it's going to be ready, we're gonna peel it so quickly. Very easy. So just this time I'm gonna cut it on half and just cover. Yep, I'm placing to your, oh my God, this hot. Daddy. In the middle. So I'll be back 30 to 40 minutes. I'll be back, and also I'm gonna check them. We're going to blend it once those bits are ready. Hey amigos, so right now it's time to see if those are ready. Almost 30 minutes. Oh my God, I have to wait a little bit more. Oh my God, this is ready. 2 of those pieces are ready. So 10 more minutes. So amigos, when you're checking your beets, make sure those are no scorched or dry. Also, even after that, it's gonna be easy to peel them. Everything is ready, just we're waiting for our beets. So make sure to cook on the right way. So amigos, I'm right here with one block. So right now it's time to see it. How it's going, everything. It's dry, Nice, it's dry. Actually it's not really hot. I mean, it looks good, everything. Oh my God, it's good. So right now it's time to peel them. Yep, I'm gonna remove the skin, and also I was cutting some carrot sticks for my plating. So just I'm going to remove the skin so quickly with my rest of veggies right here. What should I do with this? Do a compost or make one vegetable stock? So the skin is getting out so easy. I'm gonna peel them so quickly. Oh my god, it's too hot. It's hot. So amigos, just wait a little bit until those are completely cold. Yes, cold. Look at this. And also I'm gonna cut it on the small pieces, and that's why it's not gonna have hard times. My food processor, I'm cutting over the foil because I don't wanna any bit juice over my cutting board. Sometimes it's hard to remove it. Nice, looks good. Looks good. Let's get hot and it's gonna get it to get a little extra cook. So then amigos, right now is for mix all together. Right now is the perfect time. My beets are cold and I have everything. Oh, it's a little hot. I have to wait a little bit more. But anyway, so no, I have to wait. I love beets with sugar. I mean, some of them are very sweet and some of them they are not. This is not really sweet. This is what I hate. More water. So once your beets are completely cold, place in your food processor and let's blend them. Wow, come on. So let's place the liquid ingredients. Yes, lemon juice. Right now it's too dry, no seeds in there. Just be patient, it's gonna get in or it's gonna take its time, but it's going good. Look at this. Right now it's getting or it's mixing. There are small pieces in there, you know, it's very easy, but the most important is be patient. Depends, sometimes you have or you can do this on one blender, but I mean, right now I'm creating that texture. I'm trying to make it thick, something that's smooth. It's getting slowly. If you see on the bottom, it's gonna take a little couple minutes also, but wow, looks good. Why not add the rest of our ingredients? Sea salt and also my garlic. Yeah, let's blend or mix. Let's process our garlic. Also my cumin. Look at this, it looks beautiful. Actually, I'll show you how this looks like. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? So, this is the funny part of everything. The oil. That's why, that's for sure is gonna be the easy. This is on the easy way. Wow. Wow. Also, more beets powder. Just keep blending, keep processing, and to be ready. Almost. So amigos, if you see, this is very important, if you see very or too dry your hummus, just add a little of aquafaba. If you don't know what is aquafaba, it's the liquid from the garbanzo. So right now I'm using garbanzo beans from one can. But also when you're boiling, just save your aquafaba, or you can add it just water. Or a little water, just enough. Don't make too watery your hummus. I mean, all is optional. You can make it more watery or more thick, but right now we're looking for one smooth texture. Right now, if you see, looks good, but it's gonna take it a little more longer. I'm gonna mix it or blend it very well. I love the cumin. The most important part is be patient, and also I have everything ready right here. What? My carrot sticks. Yeah, you can share your hummus with other kind of veggies, and also with, you know, in your bowls. Just plain with some grains. It's going almost. It's almost. I try to don't overheat this food processor. Yeah, I'm trying to don't overheat this food processor. What should I do with this? Nah, I'm joking. Wow! So right now it's time to place all plating. I'm gonna remove this. Yeah, amigos, look at this beetroot hummus. Look at this, looks so beautiful. Wow, that color is amazing. This is awful. Amigos. I was finished with my hummus, but right now I'm missing something. Spread or mix my tahini and also the secret ingredient. So amigos, if you see, I was missing my tahini and you didn't say anything. Oh my god, how was this possible? So if you are on the same situation as me, just bring back into your food processor and make sure mix all together. I can't believe it. Amigos, all is optional. You can char with, you can go more hard. How do you say it? You can add more garlic, more salt, more cumin, more oil, more spices, I don't know, more beets, more juice, more aquafaba, more tahini, I don't know, all is optional. Depends what kind of hummus do you like or you're looking for right now. Oh my god, I can smell the sesame. Wow. Before it was too red, right now it's like a pink color. Looks good. It's going good, everything is really mixed all together. And I'm gonna scrap a little bit the sides, all the sides. Wow, right now it's pretty, looks good, everything is going good. Now I didn't miss anything. Wow, I made a lot for me. So I think people spreading a little more of oil on the toppings, but all is optional. So amigos, if you see I'm missing the tahini into my hummus, so I brought it back into my food processor. I really blended very well, and all the time this happens on kitchen, so to any kind of person. So all the time you can be in trouble, so please don't feel stuck on something. Just try to look in all the time the solution so quickly, and play with your imagination. Yes, this is how I already made some beetroot hummus, a hummus with beets, and this is how it really looks like. So, you know, all the time you can garnish with any other greens, and you can eat it with any other veggies. Extra virgin olive oil. Why not? Look at this. This happens when you're using The most important part is actually, it's delicious. Please, amigos, don't miss the tahini like me. Looks amazing. Amazing. Hot and flavored. Smell good.